Our summer vegetables are still babies, they are still seedlings. But we have winter vegetables to stir fry. And we have an update on our chayote plant. It's an emergency. Join me in hoping they survive. You're watching Channel 1, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. Here we grow, cook, and share. Join me and my man and Grace here at the garden as we pick kale for lunch. And later on the video, we have an update on our chayote. It's good. Good. Nakita? Good. Diba siya? Ay. Hello, it's a cooking day at the garden again, or it's a gardening day, and of course, since we're here, we're cooking with my man and Grace here, and she's preparing asparagus, and I suggested that we add this kale, or boerenkool in Dutch it's boerenkool. Think of it as cabbage that survives the winter. Yes, it tastes like cabbage and salad, so this is delicious. It's sweeter than cabbage because after all, it belongs to the cabbage family. These are what they call florets, or small flowers. Just like cauliflower, yeah? We eat the flowers, or florets of the cauliflower. Same here, it begins to develop florets, which are eatable. So we're adding this to our stir-fry manang. Raman nam kaditap no amom ta idea na.
Kale?
Ano? Ano na? Oh, some it?
Okay.
You know, this tastes even sweeter when it's touched by the frost. So it snowed the other week, so that explains why it's sweeter. Di ba manang nasam it? And just like any other stir fry, just add it to any vegetable. And this is what we have. My man and Grace is happy. And now we go back to our nursery, cum work area. The dahlias have emerged and we have a visitor, a pair of crows at the balcony. If you remember, we planted our chayote late last year. That was around November, late November. And we nipped the top to encourage side shoots because it was still, or even it's still too cold to plant them outside. So this is to delay growth. But this is what happened. It begins to turn yellow. The leaves begin to turn yellow. And there's even a seedling here that committed suicide. No, it just fell from the window. Let's find that node where we cut it. It was after the 6th node, if you can remember. There it is. There it is. It even dried out. And it was replaced by this side shoots and this main stem. It grew much, but it died. Or it's dying. It turned yellow. Why are the leaves turning yellow and the stems are drying up? According to experts online, it could be either underwatering or overwatering. I want to believe that this is underwatering because the plant is too big in comparison to its pot. So we have to repot it. Join me outside and let's transfer this into a bigger pot. Let's press it to help it release from the pot. And if you see, the roots are even coming out through the holes. I think I want to believe that this is a question of underwatering. Look how bound the roots are. How can they breathe? How can they sip water if they are tightly packed? So I think it is really suffocated. No space. So let's use this bigger pot for now. This will be its home for the next 2 to 4 weeks before it's warm enough to be planted outside. I hope we have rescued this chayote, precious chayote. Don't forget to come back and find out if this survives and if we are lucky enough to enjoy the stir-fries in the summer. Let's just get rid of these dead branches, and we hope that new side shoots will emerge and this plant grows to become a strong and fruitful chayote. This was the old stem. That was the main stem that we removed. It dried out. You know, while editing this, there's a hailstorm, rain in the form of ice. I included this clip just to illustrate how challenging it is to grow crops in this part of the world. That's why if you are in tropical and warm weather, enjoy and take advantage of your ground. Plant something. Plant something beautiful or edible, or better yet, both edible and beautiful. This has been your Kuya here, Romelo, growing and cooking here in Holland. See you on the next videos, and if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon for uploads. Garden every Wednesday and Fridays kitchen. Until next time, just talk about it.